Hello, everyone. You might be trying to figure out why your particular iPhone is not recording any sort of videos. So maybe you're trying to go through and record some videos on your iPhone, but for some reason, when you're doing that, it's just not recording, or there's some problems, or there's something going on. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend doing here for the most part is to just try going through and seeing if you can go through and basically check your storage of your iPhone. Make your way over to your general settings of your iPhone. So go inside of settings, just like this. Scroll down until you find your general settings, which is right here. Tap on iPhone storage. And this top portion right up here, all you're going to want to do here is just to go through and make sure you have enough storage saved on your iPhone. A lot of the times, if you do that, that is basically going to be the main way to go and fix it. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing here. So check your storage on your iPhone, make sure there's not a storage issue. That's going to be number one. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be fixing this problem, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to make sure that your particular application that you're using, if it's not the stock camera app, it has access to your camera. So tap inside of apps, and you want to go ahead and basically in your settings application, you want to go through and find the application that is requiring your camera. In this case, it can be Instagram or whatever. Make sure it has camera access. That right there is going to be another one of those really big things. Make sure you have access to the camera. Go through and disable it, just untoggle it, and that's going to be another important thing I'd recommend kind of doing there too. If that's still not working, you might have to restart your phone or do one of those things, but that is kind of the main way to go and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.